We'll guide you through how to make flowchart animation in PowerPoint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to present processes, ideas, or workflows in a more engaging and easy-to-understand way. To begin this tutorial, open your PowerPoint application on your computer. Then, open your existing presentation file that contains your flowchart. Wait until all the slides load completely to ensure smooth performance. After that, select the slide that contains your flowchart and observe all the flowchart elements carefully so you understand the structure and sequence. Next, click on one shape in the flowchart and make sure the shape is properly selected. If your flowchart contains multiple shapes, hold the Ctrl key and select multiple shapes as needed. You can also group elements if necessary to make the animation process easier and more organized. After selecting your elements, go to the Animations tab on the top menu. Choose an animation, for example fade, and observe how the animation is applied to the selected shape. To manage animations more effectively, open the Animation Pane. In this panel, you will see the animation order list that shows how each element will appear. Select the first shape animation in the list and set the Start option to On Click so it appears when you click during the presentation. Then, select the next shape, apply an animation to it, and set the Start option to After Previous. This will make the animation play automatically after the first one finishes. Repeat this process for all flowchart steps to create a continuous sequence. Next, adjust the duration timing to control how fast or slow each animation appears. You can also set a delay if needed to create smoother transitions between steps. This helps you create a clear step-by-step flow effect. Make sure the animation follows a logical sequence that matches the flowchart structure. Finally, preview the animation in slideshow mode and observe how the flow moves from start to end. Once satisfied, go back to normal view. Click File to open the Options menu and select Save again to store your presentation.